I'm back in San Ignacio. This wasn't the plan for today, but it is what it is. You gotta go with the flow. By the great bazaar, San Ignacio famous market. I love the word bazaar because I experienced an actual bazaar, so I love that word immensely. The market, and you got the Norman Brasa Stadium, the Macal Park, the Macal River. I really appreciate when I see the builders in Belize, they're rising and having access and purchasing more tools. Right on, family. Make me proud. Since I moved back, a lot of them didn't have tools. Now they're starting to. The ministry and minister of health and food inspectors and anyone that's affiliated with that, you got to take that seriously when you're doing the restaurateurs inspecting their businesses, man. A lot of people are falling short and getting hit really hard with food poisoning lately. Not lately, it's been happening for quite a while as well. You need to take that serious, man. I got hit with it, so this is not the first time. It's just happening way too much, way too often, and we got to take it serious. The culinary experience is important. That's part of the tourist industry, because people cannot travel without food. Access to food is critical. So nutrition and health and keeping it safe and healthy and clean is critical. Address it. So yeah, so in recovery mode currently. Food poisoning last week. So back in it again.
Man, they talk to me and my breath stink. I know how. Drink that bomb. Make I do this mix in the morning. Cause he not ready for do it with no.
Oh wow! I just realized they took out the scaffolding.
Fly kick.
Welcome to Home Depot, the Home Depot and Lowe's of Central America. So the conversation or the topic the other day was that it's known that these things can last, these type of roofing can last up to 6 years when it's done right. But this is the Home Depot and Lowe's of Central America. Check out these fancy straps. Barilla?
Yeah, we call it barilla in Spanish.
Then what's the English name?
Huh?
What's the English name of it?
That's we say that is just bush stick like that.
Bush stick. Oh, okay. So this is bush stick. This is your decking for the thatch roofs. So currently at Manakay, doing a little bit of construction work right now and just moving around, just checking out what's happening here and there and in between the different buildings on the property, because right now I'm here to do a little bit of heavy lifting, doing some work, but the guy is cutting supplies, doing prefab. So right now they're cutting the tail ends of the rafter that will go below this wall right here, or in front of this wall or below the wall, because the roof will be extended here. So when you do framing, what I've learned, it seems like here they just take the studs or the wall and they attach it to the rafter. How I've learned it is you build the walls underneath to help support the rafter as well. So that's for future. Then I also learned that you can build in a way where you avoid having dead spaces on your property or on your project or your building. That's another man that knows what he's doing. That's how you do a notching. How you notch out. That's a trim. That's someone that does trim work in the US. This is what a trim carpenter does.
Estamos llegando, saludos ahí para todo Norteamérica.
Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob.
It's flexible too. They using it and it wraps and it goes all the way around. The same vine can be used to strap it down and tie it to the frame as well. Well, this one, these guys are using nails. I'm still battling whatever I'm having to deal with the last couple of days. Feeling a little bit better. So right now I'm just taking a little moment, say hi, hello. Let my head air out. Find some zenful spot, realign, get back to total bliss, and be at peace and be happy. Hydrate. Using rebar to make a chisel. Saw blades they run or last roughly 250 hours. Let's say, yeah, 250. That's probably on the max or higher side of it. Could go a little bit longer, but I would say the best way to do is maybe 200 hours.
Midwest, because
just enjoying the place, moving about freely, highlighting why this place is unique, because it has its own bliss that you'd have to be here to experience it, right? Unique in the sense that it has its own refined qualities and things that makes it special and gives a zenful zenith satisfaction. Like to secure your investment, which is your home. Since I've moved back to Belize, this great nation of Belize, I always emphasize and stress like putting on primer. Invest in primer. Like painting a house is super expensive here, and I've advocated and pushed for like construction companies and paint companies that specialize in just, you know, painting supplies, do summer sales and stuff for like during the summer and winter vacation, so that you can have little summer jobs for the students that are going on their little break. But priming your house, it helps. Putting a special layer above the wood, concrete, or whatever you're doing, metal, and then you put your paint, and it makes it last longer as well. Even though painting says it lasts for like, you can put it every 30 or every 15 years. Recommend, especially new build, you paint like every 2 years or every 3 years, and the layers help to make the place a little bit more waterproof and secure as well. That's an investment. Give a hoot, don't pollute. Beautify Belize, like putting trash in its rightful place. When you put primer on there, primer helps to use less paint. It seals it off. It puts a special layer on there, and it makes it to where you use less paint. Those are the tail end of the rafters that's gonna go in front of the half wall.